Look at this peacock right here. I'm about to catch him. Look at him. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. Bam! Yo boys, you already know, we're at the Clearwater Lake. We got the Stratic on deck. Let's see what bait we're working with, Mike. Ooh, that's a juicy. Look how fat these tilapia are. Yo, let's show how fat these things are, dude. They're just completely, they're round. They are round. We got some tilapia that are filled with straight poop, boys. So I'm gonna take my little hook right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a size 2 Mutu light. Yeah, I'm about to use one of these tilaps and catch me a peacock. I know the spot, bro. Oh yeah, dude. Splashing all up in the camera probably. Literally just hooking them right through the nose. Like that, through one lip, nothing crazy. Look how fat these things are. These things are so, I don't know what's up with them. They're just, they eat poop though. So there's a lot. Yeah, I see a little pea right there. It's kind of small. I thought you said it was fat.
No, it's a different one.
Nah, that one's right there. There's 2 right there. Oh, I think I just got 8. Yeah, I just got 8. Got me in like the freaking grass. It's got me in the grass. It's a nice pea. Oh yeah, one right below him. Should get 8. You should get 8, Mike. Go get a new bait then. Should have brought the bucket. Tripping. Dang, that Mutu light circle hook, boys. That Mutu light circle hook. Getting it done right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth, dude. Yes, sir. Nice aggressive little pea. Got a spider sitting on his head right now. Clear water. Oh, that's kind of a big cichlid. I'm gonna throw it either way though. Pretty sure we'll get clobbered. That's how you do it. Spending most our lives living in this. It literally went right under the weeds right there. Whoa, what in tarnation, dude. Yeah, these things just put you right into the good stuff. Look at that pea though. This pea just like looked at it and cleared it.
That's what they're doing.
Not too big, right? I mean, that thing would get smashed. It's not too big, dude.
They're lazy.
Lazy. Probably got caught before. Probably see the hook. Next part of the lake now. Oh, you can't get a good hook set with that rod, man. I'm telling you, it's like.
No, I heard.
It's back on. It's back on.
It's because I set the hook.
Oh, I'm on. Doubled. Oh, it was in the weeds. God dang it. Boss. Literally, like I said. Boss. And a nice hook set with that Mutu light, man. If you don't like gut hooking fish, I mean, this is a really good hook. You never gut hook fish with them. Look at that. Whoa. Yo. Y'all are tripping. I'm gonna get away from y'all because I'm not trying to hook. Thank God that didn't happen, man. That would have sucked, dude, because I was completely zoning out. And I just like was reeling in my bait nonchalantly, man. That would have been bad. You got what I need. Will you say he's just a friend? There's a lot of ducks. A lot of ducks. There's a big cichlid trying to eat my little cichlid, dude. What do you see? Hella peas? Oh, hella peas under the freaking trees. Wow, my bait just came off. Isn't that some crazy stuff? Dang, dude, that's funny. Little peeve by Mike. Huh. That's funny. Yo, hold up for the camera. Little dirty pea. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Go release it over there. Oh, that's a tiny pea right there. Oh, it's a small pea. Oh, he just ate it. Look at him, he's about to eat it. Oh, what the hell? Oh, dang. You say he's small and then he freaking fights like that. Oh, and he just ate the tilapia right there. Crazy. Look at that, dude. Oh, God. Where is your pole? Oh, God. Right there. Oh, that's a nice one, man.
Yeah.
Look at that freaking hook set with that. You guys see it. I barely reel down and it's just there every time. Not good? Oh yeah, there it is. Yes sir, mine. Big peas.
Oh, stupid. Yeah. No, get down there.
Oh. Ooh, what was that? Oh, it's a duck. It's a duck. Mike's on. Oh, cichlid. I know that's a cichlid fighting like that, dude. Yep. Where's the peas? Damn, look at that dark red thing. Looks like a Kubera snapper, dude. What a crazy dark red he has, dude. The thing looks crazy. This is big summertime cichlid, dude. Look at that, bro. Vibrant. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold that guy up for the camera, dude. I feel like right when he was out of the water, he was even more red. Oh, dude, look at that thing, dude. What a crazy fish. Oh, I was on. Oh, I was on the whole time. God dang it. I'm messing around with the cichlid. There goes all those largemouths I was talking about. Jeez. They're like destroying this tilapia. There's like 6 of them down there. One got it. There's a whole bunch of them, dude. There's a whole school of largemouth bass. It's so sick. So sick to see that, man. Good lake. Good lake, man. They're skinny too. It's like freaking skinny. Either he gone. Oh, that's a nice pea. Oh. Oh. There's hella peas right there.
If you want.
I want to get him another reaction. Boom! Look at that, dude. It's like, oh yeah, there goes the bait. Watch the bait right there. Oh, he got away. The freaking got away. But dude, the eat was sick though. I mean, they just absolutely destroy these things. But that tilapia got away.
You want to go to this one?
Yeah. Dink piece. Oh, there goes my toes.
Mine looks pretty nice,
Dun. Little duckies. Mama duck, you're not tough. Oh, dude, I just stepped in some nasty stuff. You know, we're just out here on that land-based fishery. Look at this peacock right here. I'm about to catch him. Look at him. Ba-boom, 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 ba-boom. Bam! Look at this bass trying to eat the freaking tilapia right off. Oh, he's aggressive. Highly aggressive. Highly aggressive peacock bass. And he's beautiful too. I mean, this one is like fresh. It's one of those like insanely magnificent, very magnificent peacock bass right here. Oh, oh, dang. Oh, largie. Oh. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Boys. That's a nice looking peacock, dude. This is like the best looking one I've caught all summer. Chill, 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 chill. Stop moving the camera. I'll move. You just keep the camera completely still. Terrible cameraman, Mike.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, Wes. Alright, yeah.
Stay to the right of you.
Oh. Look at that, dude. I mean, that thing is insanely beautiful. There's so many peas right there. That little school of peacocks are there. It's like they followed us.